Hi there everyone! Hi guys! So, nandito ako ngayon kay VLC application kasi maraming nagtatanong kung papaano ko ba ginagawa ang aking live stream na naka-share screen while playing yung video natin. Alright, so, eto, naka-playlist. Nandito tayo ngayon kay VLC. Okay, let's go back to that. Labas muna tayo. So, ito si VLC Video Player. Click natin siya. And then, click natin tong 3 bars dito sa left, upper left portion. And then, let's go to playlist. Ayan. May dalawa akong playlist. LS Video and then LS Video 2. So, ito yung ipi-play ko ngayon. Subukan natin siyang i-play. Ayan. Pasensya na, medyo malikot yung video natin. And then we have here the setting sa lower right portion niya. So, let us just click repeat mode. Ayan. Pag wala siyang 1, meaning kasi hindi siya magre-repeat. But if we click repeat mode, magre-repeat yung videos dito. And then, ayan. Pause natin siya. Ayan. Balik natin siya from the very beginning. And then, minimize natin tong application. There you go. And punta tayo kay YouTube. Asan si YouTube? Ito. Ayan, nandito tayo ngayon kay YouTube. Back muna natin siya. So, here is our mobile YouTube. Mobile YouTube mode. So, nakikita nyo ba itong camera dito na may plus sign? So, just click that one. And then, you have here 3 choices. Video, live, or post. So, I'm gonna go ahead and click live. Ayan. So, as what you can see here, meron siyang video dyan sa background niya. So, if you want to remove that video, eto, diba? You can see this one. This is for the share screen and this is for the video. So, i-click natin yan. So, that means we're sharing screen here. Ayan. So, black na yung screen niya. And also, let's type the title. Yung gagawin kong title related dun sa video na ipi-play natin. Let's say, yan, Boracay Pictures. Boracay Escapade. Ay, pasensya na guys, medyo mabagal lang ha. Mali ng spelling. Escapade Pictures. Ayan, there you go. Boracay Escapade Pictures. And then, let's go ahead and edit further settings. No, it's not made for kids. And then, let us click next. Ayan. So, as we click next, ito yung lalabas. So, let us try to change this thumbnail. Upload tayo ng thumbnail. Ano kaya yung magandang picture dito for our thumbnail? Pangit na yun doon. Sa ibaba. Let me try yung catchy sana. Let me try this one. So, parang ang lungkot ko dyan. So, let's change that. Ito kaya. Ito siguro pwede na to. At least maaliwalas siyang tingnan. Okay, so let's go ahead and save that. Ayan. So, okay na siya. Boracay Escapade Pictures. Now, let's move on to next. Clicking next. Shoutout nga pala kay Kuya Mix Vlog at saka kay Sis Pinay Bangali Vlog na curious talaga kung paano ko ginagawa itong klase ng live stream na to. Ayan, so, you're about to enter screen broadcast mode. Okay, remember anything on your screen notifications calls password will be live stream. The mic captures game audio from the speaker, so turn up the sound. Nearby sounds may also be recorded. So, got it? Now, allow YouTube to record or cast your screen. Start now. Now, naka-offline pa rin tayo, as what you can see there. Unless we click this go live button, then magiging online na tayo. Now, I still have here the video. Dito. Now, we just have to click this one here to close the video. Ayan, so wala na siyang video. Screen na lang yung makikita niya. Now, let's go ahead and go back to VLC. Asan na yung VLC natin? Ito siya. So, let's click that one. Ayan siya. And then, let's go ahead and go live. Ayan yung makikita natin. But wait, let's check on our other... Check natin sa other gadget natin. Kasi ito yung nag-a-appear sa screen natin as of the moment. So, check natin siya dito. Ayan. Let's see. Ayan. So, I don't know, I cannot explain kung papaano siya lumalabas dito. Okay. But right here, sa aking other gadget, ito lang yung makikita mo. So, there you go. There you have it, guys, for our share screen live stream mode. Ayan, so thank you so much for watching this very quick and sana naman informative na tutorial. So, if you also want to do this kind of live stream, so you can go ahead and copy this one. And hi sa ating viewer! Ayan, end ko na to.